We believe dedication is the path to success. Having grown from zero to hero in the past decade, Bing Feng is always advancing towards higher ambitions while staying true to our original aspirations. With a focus on refrigeration technology, Bing Feng specializes in low-noise cooling compressors made to last longer. Our facilities have grown from one single production line to multiple synchronous intelligent lines, a transformation that demonstrates our determination to pursue innovation and power global refrigeration. We believe in the power of action and innovation. Bing Feng R&D Center, run by a professional production management team, can design refrigeration equipment of all types from scratch. We leverage cutting-edge technology to ensure the highest quality. Bing Feng has been actively upgrading its production facilities by importing the most advanced compressor manufacturing equipment from Europe. Every step of the manufacturing process, from cylinder forging, cleaning, honing, to automatic assembly, it's seamlessly integrated and meticulously supervised to meet the highest quality standards. Our 6 product platforms contain a wide range of eco-friendly, energy-efficient products for all purposes, favored by clients across the board. Newly developed products can operate under an even wider input voltage range and more diverse working conditions, representing the outcome of Bing Feng's technological breakthroughs. Bing Feng's Testing and Engineering Center utilizes a variety of testing methods and equipment to guarantee quality. Quality assurance starts from the assembly line well before products reach the testing center. All incoming materials, key components, and finished products are inspected for quality. Every step of the process is fully monitored. Compressors are rigorously tested for mechanical wear and noise, as well as stability during operation, powering on, powering off in high temperatures and in other situations. Bing Feng's advanced facilities consistently churn out 6 exceptional product lines as well as customized compressors. 95% of all cooling compressor types can be manufactured by Bing Feng. With our expertise and superb quality, Bing Feng has now become an internationally known key supplier of compressors for refrigerator manufacturers and refrigeration service providers. Bing Feng's global footprint has extended to 30 countries and regions in Southeast Asia, Africa, Central Europe, Middle East, and South America. Samsung, Indonesia's Polytron, Egypt's Fresh have all formed long-term strategic partnerships with Bing Feng. With 6 ever-upgrading product lines achieving market success in China and around the world, Bing Feng is building a solid brand reputation with its premium quality. The future holds endless promise for the ambitious Bing Feng. Bing Feng Compressors, the beating heart of refrigeration around the world.